मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, अपन 23 चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। राजस्थान का ये सेकंड लास्ट चैप्टर है 24, राजस्थान माइनिंग एंड इंडस्ट्रीज। इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर नंबर 4 in question board exam. Mineral. First we discuss about the mineral. The mineral, the present era may be approximately called the fossil fuel era or atomic era from the economic point of view. Sufficient ability of the mineral and quality present the base for the industrial development of an era. देखिए, आज के युग को अपन फॉसिल फ्यूल एज या एटॉमिक एरा कह सकते हैं। किसी भी कंट्रीज के पास में सफिशिएंट और अच्छी क्वालिटी के अगर मिनरल्स हैं तो वहां पर इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट का बहुत अच्छा बेस होता है। मिनरल आर सच नेचुरली ऑक्योरिंग substance that are the present below the surface of the earth. The process by which we exploit these minerals from below the surface, it known as the mining. अर्थ के सरफेस के नीचे से जो भी मिनरल्स अपन एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं वो प्रोसेस जो है वो माइनिंग कहलाती है। मिनरल आर फाउंड इन द मिक्स फॉर्म विद अदर एलिमेंट इन नेचर। Such mixture are called the ore. मिनरल्स होते हैं वो सारे के सारे पर्टिकुलर मिक्स रूप में पाए जाते हैं और उसको जो उनका मिक्स टेक्सचर है या उसको अपन बेटा जी मतलब ओर कहते हैं। Such mixture called the ore, as the hematite and the magnetite are the iron ores. Aluminium is obtained from the bauxite. More than the 3000 kind of mineral are present in the earth. Mineral having extract to metal in original form are called the metallic mineral. The mineral having no extract of metal are called the non-metallic mineral. Mineral which provide energy are called the energy minerals. The detailed description of mineral has been study in next last chapter. Rajasthan is Museum of Minerals. Rajasthan is the present prosperous state in the term of the mineral. Due to the ability of the various mineral in Rajasthan, it is known as the Museum of Minerals. Approximately 67 mineral, 44 main and the 23 major are mined in Rajasthan. Rajasthan has the contribution of the 22% of the total mineral production of the country. In terms of the mineral wealth, Rajasthan stands the second place after the Jharkhand. From the viewpoint of the mineral production, Rajasthan ranked at the third place after the Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. In terms of the mineral are Avail mountain and the southeastern plateau region are prosperous in our state. Due to the discovery in the last few decades, ample energy resources such as the petroleum and natural gas have been found in the western part of the state. The regional distribution of mineral in Rajasthan is not centralized in a particular natural region but in the scattered. The state has a monopoly in the production of such mineral as wollastonite, jasper, zinc, fluorspar, gypsum, marble, asbestos, soapstone, rock phosphate. Distribution of mineral in Rajasthan. The distribution of major mineral in Rajasthan as follows. First we discuss about the minerals or metallic mineral. From these mineral base metal are separated from the ore by the chemical process. The major metallic mineral of the Rajasthan are described. First we discuss about the copper. It is the most important amongst non-ferrous material. It is mined in the Rajasthan since ancient times. It is the mostly found in the veins of the igneous and metamorphic rock. The copper is malleable and the dullite, the god conductor of the electricity. Rajasthan is the second place in country in the production of copper. In 1985, the production of the raw copper was 14.36 lakh ton, which increased in 98.05 lakh ton in 2012-13. The copper smelting plant is the state in the Hindustan Copper Limited in Khetri. Copper mining are the found is many places in Rajasthan, but Khetri, Singhana in Jhunjhunu district, Neemka Thana in Jaipur, Khodariba mine in Alwar district are important. The other important mine of copper are the Puragucha and the Golapura Bhilwara, Devari, Sambalpur, Rail Magra and the Bidasar, Churu. Copper is important in terms of the uses because it is used in the electrical equipment, wire and the chemical industries. There are the essential estimated reserve of the more than the 13 million ton of the copper in Rajasthan in the survey conducted by the scientists of the Geological Survey Department. There are the indication of the 100 of the ton of the stock many part of the state. There are the huge survey of copper in the Bando Balo Ki Dhari in Sika.